right here in the UK, in my shop.
Welcome to NoFabs. Right, good morning everybody. So today's a little bit different. We're not actually doing any fabrication on this video. We are actually doing a product review. So this company, One Car Stereo, they reached out to me and said, Nathan, we want to send you this. It's a wireless CarPlay, and we want you to give us an honest review on it. I said, you know what? Absolutely. Send it to me. Let's have a look at it. So this is my own car. It's a 2018 Tiguan R-Line. Now it does have wired CarPlay, but I have noticed some flaws in wired CarPlay. I mean, I'm not up with this tech stuff, so bear with me. But what I do know is when I plug it in, can I watch YouTube and stuff? Absolutely no. It does not let you watch YouTube or Netflix or anything like that. And now just a quick look at the specs of this on their website. Yeah, apparently this is supposed to let you watch Netflix, supposed to let you watch YouTube and all that type of stuff while in motion. I mean, I don't condone that type of stuff. Obviously, it is not legal to do that.
When you're parked up though, it's all right.
Yeah, it's a good feature when you're parked up in it. So yeah, this doesn't let you watch anything like that at all, no matter whether you're stationary or anything. It doesn't let you do anything like that. So let's have a little look in the box, see what we get. And yeah, we'll review it. Ignore all the mess in this car. This is what my missus and kids use, so it is messy. So it is the AI Box Elite, making driving smarter. Not much else on there. Let's see what we get in the box, shall we? It's not very big. Some instructions. I'm not going to lie, usually I'll chuck instructions away, but we most likely will need instructions on this. It also does have a memory card slot. No idea what that's for. We're going to have a delve into them instructions shortly, but let's have a little look what we get in the box first. If we can get it out. It's in there good. Oops. Couldn't get it out of packaging. So it is really small, really thin, feels really light. See if it's any good, shall we? It looks like some wires in the bottom of here. Couple of wires, USB-C to USB-C, and then also a USB-C to is that USB-A, that one, is it?
Yeah.
USB-A to USB-C. Couple of different cables. My car does take the original one, as I call it, the USB-A, so we will need that cable for this car. Sweet. Right, I think we're going to have a quick flick through the instructions, just have a quick read of what we're doing, see what's required for setup, and then we'll get a dabble, shall we? So, as I said, I am an absolute noob when it comes to stuff like this. So I am going to have to read these instructions word for word, most likely, so bear with me. But, right, first thing at instructions, it says connect the compatible cable, blah, blah, blah. And then it says insert the product USB into the interface of your car. So, usually when I plug this in, it comes up saying CarPlay or something like that. I can't remember, it's been a while. Wait, there we go. Show on screen, look. Smart AI box, powered by Android. Pretty cool. Right, what's next thing? It says insert that, click the CarPlay, click. Hey, there we go. So that looks very similar to what it does look like on my phone. So we'll delve into it a bit more in a minute. Let's just get it set up properly first. So it says click the settings icon to connect to network. Change languages. Click settings on the Android interface. Right, come on Connor, this is your forte. This settings. Right, then what?
You need to either do, well, whatever you want to do, so.
Connecting to the network. Turn a hotspot on your mobile phone, right? So let me turn hotspot on. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi not connected. Now it's going to search for Wi-Fi. It's going to find my phone. There we go. Here we go. Saved. What next? Click on the Play Store. That lets you download various apps. Right, so we'll go back.
Download YouTube.
Back. And what do you click on now? Home, is it? Home, right, Play Store, all app. Hey, we've already got YouTube. What we got on YouTube? Let's have a look. What's this annoying little square that keeps going on?
It's not laggy though, is it?
It's not laggy at all, it's pretty good to be fair. It's fairly quick.
What's the newest?
Let's have a look. There's only one channel to be searching on here. There we go, look, click subscribe. Hey. Oh, it's pretty sick for a little screen, isn't it? It's actually pretty sick for a little screen. It all comes up mint. Looks well good, to be fair. And there we go. Tell you what, guys, I'm pretty impressed with that. That's pretty sick. Quality's good.
Yes, boys, welcome to another video. Something a little bit different today. So, not different in terms of car, it's a Civic Type R, there's a million of them.
So in terms of YouTube, guys, YouTube function is absolutely mint, as you can see. So we're very happy with that. So we're gonna have a quick flick through, we'll see what else there is, and I'll bring you along, show you what else there is. So far, I am very impressed with this. For such a little thing, sick. There's no other words for it. Absolutely sick. Yeah, I'm impressed. Check this out, look, Netflix as well. You've got everything on Netflix. Tell you what, this is absolutely sick. I wouldn't say it was the cheapest thing. I think it were around 150 quid. But you know what? If you've already got CarPlay, absolutely mint. Look at this. Imagine if you're in your car a lot and you just sit watching Netflix in your car. Mint, isn't it that? Right good. Let's click on one of them, see if it works today. So what we got here? Brassic. Yep. See how good it is. So it will all depend on your network, won't it, on your phone, because it is streaming off my phone, so it depends how good.
One drink.
Trailer.
That trailer, that.
Yeah.
Don't
There
look
you
old
go.
enough.
Play episode 1. Straight on. I do apologise for glare on screen, I can't seem to get rid of that.
It is good, that.
It is good, quality is
Surround
good.
sound and all of them.
I know, yes. Obviously we're sat in car and we've got surround sound, like everything around you, so it is mint, really
Get
good.
yourself off, Vinny. You don't want to jump off there.
So those of you who haven't watched Brassic, you need to watch it, it's fantastic. And I also figured out what this annoying little triangle is, as I call it, annoying little square is, as I called it. That's how you get back to home screens. You press that, back to home, and then you can click all apps like that. And you've got App Store, Car, Bluetooth, even Disney Plus.
You could download whatever you wanted on that.
Yeah. So I've been sat having a little bit of a play and customising things a little bit. I have customised my screen a little bit, so I've got music, Netflix, YouTube here, Play Store, Bluetooth phone. So one thing I have found, you can use this completely as you would normal CarPlay, so you can stream your Bluetooth music. Obviously, I can't show you that because I don't want to end up with a copyright strike, but you can. You simply just click on Bluetooth music and you can stream all your music as you normally would. Try and show you some music videos. There is a YouTube channel called NCS, No Copyright Sounds. So as long as we credit their video, we won't get done for them. So there we are, look. Click that on there. And this is a song that I do use on some of my videos, so I know it's copyright free and I can show you. How cool is that? Absolute game changer, honestly. And the quality as well, the sound quality is fantastic. It doesn't sound muffled, doesn't sound fuzzy. It sounds actually incredible in car. So I'll turn that back down, and then let's try and switch to a different song, see how quick it is. So let's switch to, in fact, I'll tell you what, we'll just press next. I mean, how quick is that? Literally no delay whatsoever. It's almost instant. It's as good as being at home on PC. Try again, next song. Fantastic, absolutely brilliant. It's a definite game changer for me, this is. And then to get back, you simply press that and press the home. Takes you right back to where you started. Also App Store, click on App Store. This pretty much lets you go in and download whatever you want to download, just like the App Store on your phone. So I am running Android, but I'm almost certain this works with iPhone as well. So there you go, look, you can just go on the App Store, download whichever apps you want, BBC iPlayer and whatever else you want to download. And then to go back, press back to where you started. Music, I haven't really got any music on my phone. I mean, who does these days? I just stream everything, so yeah, there is nothing on there. But if we go to home, click Bluetooth music. Now Bluetooth is turned off on my phone. Let me just turn it back on. My phone, connect to smart AI box, and there we go, we're back connected again. Go back, Bluetooth music, and there we go, that's now playing through Bluetooth on the Bluetooth music function. Again, sound quality is crisp, there's no delay, no glitchiness. I tell you guys, this is a 8-bit kit for money. It really is a 8-bit kit. So you can also use it as normal CarPlay. If you click to Speed Play, it says please connect Bluetooth to AI Smart Box. We're already connected, so it will connect automatically. And boom, there we go. Just pause the music. There we go, that's on Maps. So this is almost like a mirror link of my phone. It's just like normal CarPlay, isn't it? So it's almost like a mirror link. Yeah, you click that there, you can listen to your tunes, tells you your address. So guys, what's the verdict on the little car stereo AI Elite box? It's an absolute yes from me. If you haven't got one, you need one. This will be a game changer for me whenever we're in car or whatever. So most dads like me, you go out with kids and you miss this and they'll go in shop, for instance, and I don't want to go walking around Primark with kids. It's just not on my agenda. Not anymore. I'll sit in car now, I'll get Netflix on, get a bit of YouTube on screen, and that's me. So absolute game changer. If you're a dad, you need one of these. You can sit and watch Officially Gassed. That's what I'll be doing, watching Officially Gassed drag races while they're walking around Primark. So do I recommend it, guys? 100% yes. Please go and check these guys out. Check on the website. It's One Car Stereo. This is the AI Box Elite. Also, I will put in our discount code. If you use discount code NAWFABS at checkout, it is going to get you a little bit of money off. So guys, I really do like this that much. Here's what I'm going to do. I want to give a little bit back to my channel subscribers. We've just recently reached 3,500 subscribers, which is absolutely mind-blowing to me to think that 3,500 people like watching my car content. Now, this is not the usual type of stuff we do. We do mainly do car like fabrication content, exhaust and all that type of stuff, but I do the odd product review when companies do contact me. So yeah, stick around for that type of stuff. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to order another one of these. I like it that much. I'm going to buy another one out of my own money, and I'm going to give this one to one of you guys who are subscribed to me absolutely free. I promise you this is not a scam. I know a lot of people do this and then no one ever gives it away. I am going to pick one of you guys in the comments completely at random. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to probably let my little girl pick it, to be honest. I'll just say, tell you what, there you go, pick a name on there. I'm going to let her scroll through and tell her pick a name. So to be in with a chance of winning one of these or winning this for your car, I will send it you completely free of charge. The only thing you need to do is be subscribed to my channel and you need to comment below. That's all you've got to do. Comment and subscribe. Easy as that. And I'm probably going to say, I don't know, in a month's time, I'll get my daughter to flick through the comments. She's 3-year-old, by the way, so there's absolutely, she's probably better on YouTube than I am, but there's absolutely no way of rigging it. I'm just going to let her randomly pick one of your guys' names, and then I will contact you. I can't say fairer than that, guys. Giving a little bit back to you channel subscribers. I am forever thankful for all of you that do follow me. And I think we'll wrap this video up there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below, subscribe. One of you is going to win it. Peace out. We'll catch you in the next video.